15th one, write a Python program to construct the following pattern using a nested loop number. Okay, using a nested loop number. So we have to get output like this one: one, double two, double three, double four. Sorry, four, triple three, four, double like this one. Okay, 1 to 9 is there. So we have to repeat 9 times the loop. This simple logic, 2 lines of code. I will explain. Okay, for I in range 1 to 10. So I won't explain again these things. Range function, what is range function, everything. Print string of I into I. Why string of I here? Because in Python the string won't be string and number won't multiply. Okay, multiplication won't take between string and integer in Python. So check the output now. Okay, see, if you want to if you want to if you want to take multiplication, then you have to convert the string into integer. Okay, because Python is a strong and dynamic type language. Remember, Python is strong and dynamic type languages. So if you want to string and integer, what we multiplication will take place between string and integer here.